Hi everybody, and welcome for another quick tutorial of the Serenity system. Today we're going to look at a nice itty bitty little detail of adding a PDF button to your existing system. Now let's very quickly jump onto a version that currently does not have the button. I'm using a demo 1 table I created a while back that pretty much just simulates a stock inventory, and you'll see it right down here. You'll notice right now there is no button present. Obviously you could just program the whole damn thing from scratch, but we wouldn't want to do that. We want to do it the nice and easy way. Serenity helps with that. There is a preset feature that allows you to add a PDF exportation button, actually quite simply, by simply adding a little bit of code onto the TypeScript grid file of your table. Now, I am using, as per always, a wiki that's got a further explanation right off of the Serenity GitHub repository. You're going to see the adding PDF export. I'm going to use the exact same code set that is being used there for a button push. Now, once again, I am using the grid TS file. Now let's add here very quickly this button. You'll notice that we have here the button set up already. This is just because I've used this template in the past, so I was just using a little bit of shorthand. So let's update this to the correct project. The project name in this case will be Serene2. You'll see Serene2 has a common PDF export helper that presets the button. In this case, all we're looking at is the grid and the view submit, so that you can essentially see whatever columns and filtered view you are using at the time. That is what will be getting exported. By simply adding this couple of lines, save, run, you can go right on ahead and see the difference between no button and just like that, you got your PDF export button. It's a standard PDF export that just populates the basic information for the table: your ID, your name, your description, and your quantity. You'll notice demo 1, this is the table name. That gets also exported out. You'll notice that there's got a page number. There's various bits of information from this item that can actually be edited. That is using the additional items, the more advanced features of the PDF button. In this case, I'm going to cheat since I have a preset already built in here. I'm just going to copy straight out of the wiki, save us some time, and paste that right in there. You'll notice all I did was add the title, hint, separator, and all these other cute little features that come with the PDF button. These items here control various items, both that correspond to the button look as well as the outlook of the report when it comes out. It only manages some features, not the full report. So let's look at this. I just saved the change. Now you'll notice I did not stop the running compile. That's because with TypeScript you can actually do a live edit. I tend to like to do that because it's a lot easier to see the change when I'm trying to do an edit. Like in this case, you'll notice all I'm going to do is just refresh the page with an F5. Boom, here's your change already stated. Here's your, this is the title, this is the hint. You'll notice there's a matchup with the items that I've added: the title, the hint, the separator, showing here. All of these informations starts moving onward. Now let's open up a new PDF export. Here's your file name. You notice originally it was demo 1 plus a timestamp. This here got replaced, which is the standard naming, to the name that I gave it by using the file name feature. Now if I pop this baby up, you will notice the title has been changed to this report title. the distance between the original report. Let's actually open the other one so you can see. You'll notice here there's a lot more distance than in this case. You can actually control where it is located and the font of the title itself, smaller to larger. You can designate whether it has or not page numbers. You can change the name of the column itself. In this case, I did not properly populate that information, but you can find actually that information a little bit better set on the wiki. Let's switch that out over here. You'll notice every field has been explained to some degree. Oh, I actually need to update that guy. But it explains what each section does, how it'll end up affecting the PDF report coming out. And as you saw, took 2 seconds, you got your PDF export. Beauty of it is that this allows you the opportunity to just go right ahead and add a quick PDF exports to all your tables for any client that might need to be able to pull a report quickly and efficiently from a preset filtered page. That concludes this little tutorial, and I hope to see you for some of our other ones. Don't forget to like, and if you see anything you'd like to improve, just hit me up, and I always take constructive criticism. The whole point is to try to get these guys to help out everybody out there and to support our friend Volkan Ceylan with his Serenity system. Thank you, and see you next time.